And next up is a WPC pre-DCS soundboard out of a Terminator 2. And what we had found was that the ROMs were corrupted. Both U14 and U15, I was able to reburn those, but U18 was not accepting a rewrite at all. So I had to replace that ROM there. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 47 UF capacitors in axial, and then also 2 47 UF radial capacitors, two 4700 UF capacitors, and also a 100 UF input filter capacitor. I've replaced the 5 volts and ground input header, as well as the ACN, and also the 2 speakers, or speaker out 0.156 headers there. And let's go ahead and get this booted there, and we've got the startup on. I'm going to back out of this and turn this down because the normal volume is quite loud, and I'm not trying to irritate my neighbors or anything. So, alright, let's go ahead and get into test here now. Stop the music.
CPU auto fire video mode.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you so much for sending that.